All right, for an explanatory essay, um, your hook should provide a background of information that readers need to understand your thesis and your topic. So you will be writing about how the Holocaust is reflected in the play, how the historical events of the war are reflected in the play. So you will need to pull some background information from pages 98 and 99. We, in all of our classes, Miss Blakeman, when I was with fourth period, we went deeply into this. You answered questions. Fourth period, you annotated the text. So pull some information so that the reader can understand the context of your question. So what is the Holocaust? You could talk about that. You could talk about World War II. You could talk about how the Nazis treated the Jews, but your hook is going to be something to grab the reader's attention. I would grab something from here that helps us to understand that the Jews' memory should be remembered and it should be honored. So you'll be pulling 1 to 2 sentences in your own words from pages 98 and 99 that help us understand the context of our question.